Hi everyone, I am Armstrong Pame, the Deputy Commissioner of Tamenglong District. Today, I would like to appeal to all the citizens of Tamenglong District and also to the general public, whoever will be seeing this video, to follow three simple principles so that we all can win this war against COVID-19. The first principle, please wear masks wherever you go. In fact, this is the strongest weapon to win this war against COVID-19. This will ensure that you do not get infected and also you do not spread this COVID-19 to others. The second principle, please wash your hand with soap and water properly as frequently as you can. The third principle, please maintain a distance of minimum 6 feet from any other person wherever you go. By following these three simple principles, we will ensure that we win this fight against COVID-19 together. Thank you, everyone.